Hey everyone and welcome back to Mad Investor. So today I would like to review the MetaMask launch of the beta portfolio within their dApp. This is something which maybe some of you have seen it already or maybe have missed it, but I think it's worth grabbing a look at what's inside. As in general, they're looking into better Web3 experience and, the option to see multiple accounts, multiple networks in a better way, a richer NFT experience, portfolio view in a one-stop shop. So when you actually look at the MetaMask, how to find it? So this is the first thing which lots of you asked. So when you go to the MetaMask, and then you will see a new option called Portfolio Sites. When you click on that, it will open this site for you. So it's portfolio.metamask.io. Within that, you can also change from dark to light, however you kind of feel like it. I prefer it on the dark side, it's much easier to see and better for the eyes. So what's really cool is that obviously you can see in what kind of popular currency you want to see it. So I can change it the net worth to euro or dollar. So that's the first thing you would do. Obviously, as you use your MetaMask, here you can change the accounts or add other accounts. And on the right side, you can choose what kind of network you would like to use. So similar way to what you were using your MetaMask. But right now you have it in a separate app in a portfolio, which I think it's much easier to see. So how does it work? You can click on the asset and you can see the market price of that asset. So, data taken as well as, trading view. So you can easily see how the price have changed. What's the current market cap, total volume, circulating supply, day range, all-time low, all-time high. So, that's pretty cool. And on top of it, you see your holdings. So it actually gives you a more overview of what you're currently holding. When you go back to the portfolio, you can see that obviously you can click on each click on each token and see the same information, right? So I can click on Fight token, for example, because this is my test wallet, just to show around how things works. So when I go back to portfolio, I can change the list view to accounts view. So, I can see my accounts, which is the same kind of option as here. But this is not the end. So you can also see your NFTs from here. So if you go to NFTs, here it will show all your available NFTs. This is pretty easy because now it allows you to, see everything in one place in a really easy manner. You also see the real-time gas prices here. So you can see like for example, right now, what's the current base fee for fast average, say, for example, for Ethereum, or you can change for, let's say, BNB and what it will be, right? So this is an easier way to see things. When you go to watch list, you can also set up and search for token, favorite them and add it to the watch list. So if you see through the portfolio, you can actually add some of those to watch list by clicking here. And thanks to it, when you go to watch list, you can see those tokens, how the price have changed, what's the current market cap. It's an easier way to create, kind of a list. So for example, I can put, let's say, BTC, what I wanted. Let me go for some other tokens, like, I don't know, Sushi, yeah? Oh, or Shiba Inu, right? Great, I can put Shiba Inu, add to watch list, and I can here see what's the price in a day, how did it change in a year, what's the current market cap. So, it's pretty cool because it allows you to see things in a much easier way. And when you go to settings, there are basic settings which you can kind of change, just metrics, you can hide tokens as well if you don't want to see, some of the tokens which like you have no amount or they disappear from the market, because that happens as well. And to be honest, this is pretty cool. If you don't have that option, just reinstall the MetaMask. This is something which I recommend to, see. It's pretty great function as it allows you to see the portfolio, and obviously within the Web3, I think that's pretty cool feature. So this is giving you a bit of an overview. How does this work? What you can expect and what you can see. We wanted to make sure that how to use MetaMask. I'll be adding more things as well and more tutorials to MetaMask, as I believe the security and using those tools, it's extremely important. This is it from me. I hope you enjoyed that video. If yes, you know what to do, just leave a like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Take care.